State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Central.
State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central York County in south central Pennsylvania until 3:45 p.m.
Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Railroad, moving north at 30 miles.
A thunderstorm was located near Railroad. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include York, Redland, Spry, Dallastown, Shiloh, East York, Stony Brook. Locations impacted include York, Redland, Spry, Dallastown,
Tyler Run, Queens Gate, Manchester, Hallam, Emmetsville, Wrightsville, Stewartstown, Glen Rock, North York.
North York, Yorkland, and Jacobus. This includes Interstate 83 from mile marker 0 to 27.
Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following county: York, Pennsylvania.